Hey 4-Hers, it's Miss Hannah. Are you ready, set for this experiment? All we need is a few household items. So to get started for our lemony split chemistry lesson, we're going to start with some lemon juice in a small cup, as well as just a couple Q-tips, a piece of plain white paper, some iodine, and then I mixed the iodine with a half a cup water to 25 drops of iodine, and just a simple paint foam brush. You could even use cotton balls or something like that if you don't have a foam brush handy. So to get started, we're gonna take our Q-tip and dip it in the lemon juice, and we're gonna write a secret message on our piece of paper. I encourage you not to make your message too long. It could be as easy as just your initials, or it could be your name or something like that. And you just write it with the lemon juice on the paper. It'll be kind of hard to see, but it'll look wet. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna let this dry completely. So maybe put this paper down and go and do a different task, like check the laundry for mom, or help go run outside and check the mail. So go do something real fast, and then you'll come back, and once your paper is completely dry, then you'll move on to the next step. So we're gonna take our paper, and I had done this one earlier, and you're gonna take your paintbrush and dip it in the iodine. You're gonna kind of want to soak it a little bit, so maybe have some paper towel or something underneath your paper in case you make a mess, okay? And then we're gonna paint over our whole sheet of paper with the iodine solution to see what our secret message is. Okay, and as you can see, as we paint it over with the iodine, where we wrote with the lemon juice actually turns colors. Okay, so it's kind of hard to see, but also it can be super fun because that makes it still top secret. Okay, and as you can see here, I drew a 4-leaf clover. So as it dries, it'll show a little bit more. But now we're gonna turn it over to Shyla to see what happened in the chemistry behind this experiment.
Okay, so all things are made of molecules. Molecules are made of groups of tiny atoms that are surrounded by electrons. The atoms are bonded together by chemical bonds to form molecules. When chemicals meet, electrons, which are negatively charged components that surround an atom, move around and chemical reactions occur. In our experiment, the paper, which is the starch, absorbed and reacted with the iodine to create a blue color. When the lemon juice, containing citric acid, and the iodine met, the electrons surrounding the iodine atoms moved around and another chemical reaction occurred. The chemical reaction changed the structure of the atom, and the atom lost electrons in the process. As a result, the lemon juice blocked the new ion created with the iodine from reacting with or absorbing into the paper. This is why whatever your design that you made remained white on the paper.
And as my paper is drying, you can see at least 3 of my 4-H's coming out on the paper. I might have soaked this corner over here just a little bit too much, but as you can see, your message will show. So once it dries, you can share your secret message in the comments below. We'd love to see what you wrote. Happy 4-Hers, we miss y'all, take care.